Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2001 Honda Shadow 750 Ace, American Classic Edition. This is Honda's nice mid-size cruiser. Has 750cc V-twin engine, 5-speed transmission. This bike does hold a salvage title due to cosmetic damage that was due to impact on the front end. Has the front fender damaged cosmetically. The headlight was broken, as was the windshield. Both items were replaced, now in perfect condition. The foot peg was broken and was replaced, now in good condition. There is some small minor damage to the radiator plastic cover. Cosmetically, this bike is in good condition. Mechanically, very solid, very sound. It was just serviced with records on hand. This bike has very low miles, 15,072 miles. It has new tires, new Pierelli tires, front and rear. The engine is all stock, runs perfect. Has aftermarket backrest with cargo rack, leather saddlebags. This Honda Shadow 750 Ace is offered at $19.95. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You can reach us at 408-730-0600.